Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious caramel frappe. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: chilled coffee, milk, ice, and your favorite caramel sauce. You'll also need a good blender, measuring cups, and a tall glass for serving. Having your coffee pre-chilled is key for achieving that perfect frosty texture. Let's get started on this delightful treat. Now, let's get blending. Pour your chilled coffee, milk, and a generous amount of caramel sauce into your blender. Next, add approximately 1.5 cups of ice. This amount helps create that wonderfully thick, frosty consistency we're aiming for. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and no ice chunks remain. It should look perfectly creamy. With your frappe perfectly blended, it's time to assemble. Take your tall serving glass and drizzle some caramel sauce around the inside walls. This creates a beautiful visual and adds extra flavor with every sip. Carefully pour the thick, frosty frappe mixture into the prepared glass. Finally, for that classic touch, generously top your frappe with a swirl of whipped cream. Almost ready to enjoy. To complete your masterpiece, add a final, elegant swirl of caramel sauce directly over the whipped cream. This not only looks fantastic, but also enhances the rich caramel flavor. Your homemade caramel frappe is now ready. Serve it immediately with a straw to fully enjoy its frosty, creamy goodness. This recipe makes one generous serving, perfect for a delightful treat. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.